Hello and welcome to Lensology's YouTube video today. Just want to show you guys our brand new Oakley Click and Fit service. Yeah, that's correct, you heard that here first. Click and Fit for the Oakley lenses. So we can now supply prescription lenses for your Oakleys that you can fit into the frames yourself. So as you can see here, we've got a prescription Oakley lens with a step bevel that's allowing the lens to be thin enough in the part of the lens where it meets the frame, where it gets clicked into the frame. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys how we click these lenses into the frame. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out the non-prescription Oakley lenses first, and this is really simple. Just hold the nose bridge and pull the lens. Again, on this side I'll show you again, we pull the lens just away from the nose bridge, we just hold it, it's out. Almost no pressure applied at all. That is just super easy. As you can see, that's got no lines around it because there's no step bevel on the non-prescription lenses. But don't you worry, we'll make sure that that is correct every time on your lenses as well. So here you go, I'll show you how easy it is to click these in. So there you go, you pop that bit into the side and you just push up and apply. And again here, you just slot that in there and you pop it in and then you push up and then give it a little push. And it's in. There you go, all done. Super smooth, they're all clicked in, they're not going anywhere, absolutely spot on.